Hey, what's going on, everybody? I just want to do a quick review of the BlueDEF diesel exhaust fluid by Peak. My wife drives a Q7 and we have to fill it up every 500, 600 miles. And this is our go-to. So I just want to make a quick review and show you guys what it does and really why we particularly buy this one. So the actual, you can see my wife's Q7 over there, and she actually, she drives quite a bit for work. So we go with, instead of the smaller, we end up getting this 2.5 gallon. A 2.5 gallon, the tank, the BlueDEF tank on her SUV, I believe it has about a gallon or gallon and a half. So it makes sense for us to be able to get 2 fill-ups per purchase of this BlueDEF. So definitely recommend going with the 2.5 gallon if you have a larger SUV diesel, right? Of course. Now, what is the BlueDEF? It is, it's a mixture of like urea and deionized water that they use to help with the emissions. And it actually, what it does is it turns the NOx created by the diesel engine, and it turns it like into water. So it's just more so for, you know, environmentally friendly and things like that. So the thing that we love about this BlueDEF is that it has this right here. So this thing right here is perfect because when you connect it, you can see some of the dried urea and stuff coming out of the bottom here. But when you connect it here at the top, there's a hose here that expands. Here, I'll show you. So there's a hose here that expands. You stick this into the receptacle there, and it's right next to the it's right next to where you fuel, the fuel cap, and it's got a little port on here. So this right here lets it breathe, and it lets the fluid go really, really smoothly into the BlueDEF tank on the car. So this thing right here, like, it would be incredibly difficult to just do it from the cap. You're gonna have to have something like this, and I'm really glad that they put this in here. And I've probably got like 2 or 3 of these, you know, in case I lose one. I keep them in my garage just in case, you know, we need one. But yeah, that is the BlueDEF. If you guys are looking for some type of you know, an approved all diesel, for, you know, if you're looking for an approved for SER systems, this is our go-to. The Peak. We've been using this for the probably 4 or 5 years that we've been driving our diesel Q7. So highly recommend you guys check this out. Give it a try, and I'm sure you won't be disappointed. Hopefully you got value out of this video, and like all videos, I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye for now. Thanks for watching another SMARTIPS product review. As usual, you can find the product reviewed in this video in the description down below. It is an affiliate link, but it's at no added cost to you, and it helps support my channel. If you got value out of this video, make sure you smash the like button. And if you want to watch future videos from me, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video.